Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I am going to discuss 3 categories of communication that apply to all radios, all ham radios, okay? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We are going dark. So again, there are multiple categories, right? But these 3 are the crucial in my opinion. So you have the transmission mode, right? Radio communication can be classified based on how signals are transmitted and received, like one-way communication. In this mode, information flows only in one direction from the transmitter to the receiver. Now, some examples include like AM/FM radio broadcasts, weather radio alerts, satellite radio. Okay, we like those. We like satellite radio. Two-way communication. This allows for bi-directional exchange of information between parties. Common two-way radio types include walkie-talkies, like copy, 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 copy. Next one, we have the CB, that's the citizens band radios. Ham, that's the amateur radios. In regards to frequency bands, radios operate on different parts of electromagnetic spectrum, like very low frequency, VLF, to medium frequency, MF, which includes, AM radio, like 535 to, 1705 kHz, long range communication, but more susceptible to interference. There's high frequency, HF, like short wave radio, 1.7 to 30 MHz, allows for long distance communication. Very high frequency and ultra high frequency, VHF and UHF. FM radio, that's 88 to 108 MHz. Many two-way radios operate in these bands. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you appreciate this video, if you're being entertained, hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. Thank you. Now, shorter range but less interference, like modulation type. This refers, to how information is encoded onto radio waves. Amplitude modulation, AM, information is encoded by varying the strength, amplitude of the carrier signal used in AM radio broadcasting. Frequency modulation, FM, information is encoded by varying the frequency of the carrier signal. Generally, provides better sound quality than AM. Used in FM radio broadcasting and many two-way radios. Digital modulation uses digital encoding techniques. Examples include DAB, digital audio broadcasting, and HD radio. Offers improved sound quality and additional features. These categories provide a framework for understanding the fundamental principles that govern all radio communication, regardless of the specific type or application of the radio system. So, why are two-way radios, or the portable two-way radios, so popular among professionals? I'm glad you asked that question. So the instant communication, right? Immediate connectivity. Two-way radios provide instant communication with the push of a button, allowing users to quickly relay messages to individuals or groups without the delays associated with dialing a phone number or waiting for a call to connect. This is crucial in fast-paced environments such as construction sites, emergency services, and manufacturing, where timely information can impact safety and efficiency. There's also reliability and coverage, right? Robust performance in various environments. That is key. That is very key. So unlike cell phones, which can suffer from dead zones and unreliable service, portable two-way radios offer consistent coverage, especially in remote or obstructed areas. This reliability ensures that professionals can maintain communication regardless of their location, which is vital for sectors like public safety and healthcare. There's also longer battery life, extended operational time, right? Portable two-way radios typically have significantly longer battery life compared to cell phones. Many models can operate for up to 29 hours on a single charge, making them ideal for long shifts without the worry of running out of power during critical moment. This feature is particularly beneficial in emergency situations where communication is essential. Durability and usability, right? Designed for tough conditions, these radios are built to withstand harsh working conditions, including drops, vibrations, and exposure to various environmental elements. Their user-friendly design often includes physical buttons instead of touch screens, making them easier to operate while wearing gloves or in challenging situations. Cost effectiveness is another one. Lower overall cost. using portable two-way radios can be more economical than relying on cell phones. Organizations can avoid recurring monthly service fees associated with mobile plans by investing in two-way radio systems. Additionally, the longevity and durability of these radios can often lead to lower replacement costs over time. Specialized features tailored for professional use. Many portable two-way radios come equipped with features specifically designed for professional environments, such as noise cancellation technology, emergency alerts, and compatibility with various accessories like headsets and earpieces. These enhancements improve communication clarity and effectiveness in noisy settings. So in a nutshell, the combination of instant communication, reliability, durability, extended battery life, cost effectiveness, and specialized features makes portable two-way radios an essential tool for professionals across various industries. So how does licensing requirements differ for various types of radio communication? I'm glad you asked that question because licensing is a big portion of it. So license-free options, right? Some radio services don't require any FCC license to operate. Citizen band radio, no license required for those, right? Limited to 40 channels in the 27 MHz band. Minimum 4 watts transmit power, can be used for personal or business use. You have family radio service, the FRS, no license required, limited to 22 channels in the UHF band. Maximum 2 watts transmit power on channels 1 to 7 and 15 to 22. Minimum 0.5 watts on channels 8 to 14, multi-use radio service. MURS, no license required, limited to 5 channels in the VHF band. Maximum 2 watts, right? Transmit power, can be used for personal or business use. Now, in regards to licensed services, other radio services require obtaining a FCC license, like General Mobile Radio Service, right? GMRS, which requires a license that covers the licensee and family members. It's a $70 fee for a 10-year license, up to 50 watts transmit power allowed. Shared channels with FRS Plus, exclusive repeater channels. Amateur radio, ham, right, requires passing an exam to obtain a license. 3 license classes, right? Technician, general, extra. Access to many frequency bands and higher power limits, not for business use. Keep that in mind. You have land mobile radio, LMR, used for business/commercial applications, requires coordinated frequency assignment and FCC license. Fees start around $70 but can exceed $500 for a complex system. Allows for higher power and repeaters for extended coverage. The key factors that determine licensing requires include frequency band use, transmit power, intended use, whether it's personal versus business, coverage area needed, use of repeaters. So in general, services allowing higher power, wider coverage, and business use requiring license to manage interference and ensure proper frequency coordination. License-free options are more restricted in, power and channels to minimize potential issues. Now, here are just some of the best, handheld HT radios. You have the Yaesu FT60R. This radio constantly ranks as one of the best all-around handheld ham radios. It's just one of the best ones around, right? It's one of the best ones around that you can use. There's also the Yaesu VX6R, a popular tri-band handheld option. It's compact and has a rugged design, good for VHF/UHF work. You have the ICOM ID52A. That's, for those who are interested in more digital mods, D-Star, digital voice, and data capabilities. The dual band operation, there's color display, GPS, and Bluetooth built in. You have the ICOM IC7100, which is a versatile all-band, all-mode radio, covers HF, VHF, UHF, okay? Touchscreen interference is good for both mobile and base station use. Okay, so that is what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you are entertained, if you enjoyed this content, if you are happy, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Also hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you on the next video.